2023 Mercedes-Benz Maybach S580 4matic sedan. About its engine, the Maybach S-Class comes in two flavors, with the S580 packing in a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that's supplemented with a 48-volt hybrid system meant to smooth out the ride while also upping the fuel efficiency. All told, it produces 496 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, which it sends to all four wheels through a 9-speed automatic gearbox. Both powertrains are supplemented by a 48-volt hybrid system and pair with a 9-speed automatic transmission 4matic all-wheel drive. We've luxuriated in the S-Class sedan and put our test equipment on the V8 model, which delivered impressive acceleration. Price: $194,000. About its interior, the S580 class seats 5 passengers in its standard configuration, and a 4-seat layout that focuses on rear seat luxury and comfort is available. Leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats with massage functions and rear sunshades are standard. Options include a heated steering wheel, heated and cooled cup holders, heated armrests, heated and ventilated rear seats with massage functions, folding tray tables and power extendable leg and footrests. The front seats are extremely comfortable and supportive, with lots of space for tall folks to stretch out. The rear seats are also plush and spacious, especially in the Maybach models. About its infotainment and connectivity, standard features in the S-Class include a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, a 12.8-inch touchscreen, navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless device charging, Bluetooth, 6 USB ports, HD radio, satellite radio, a 15-speaker stereo and gesture and voice recognition. Additional standard amenities include proximity keyless entry, push-button start, remote start, power soft close doors, dual-zone automatic climate control, a cabin air fragrance system, ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof. About its safety, it includes 1. Standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. 2. Standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. 3. Standard adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell.